What is the difference between the old style and new style classes in Python? What is the difference between the old style and new style classes in Python? When should I use one or the other?
From New Style and Classic Classes. Up to Python 2.1, old style classes were the only flavor available to the user. The concept of old style class is unrelated to the concept of type. If X is an instance of an old style class, then X._class_ designates the class of X, but type X is always. This reflects the fact that all old style instances, independently of their class, are implemented with a single built-in type, called instance. New style classes were introduced in Python 2.2 to unify the concepts of class and type. A new style class is simply a user-defined type, no more, no less. If X is an instance of a new style class, then type X is typically the same as X._class_. Although this is not guaranteed, a new style class instance is permitted to override the value returned for X._class_. The major motivation for introducing new style classes is to provide a unified object model with a full meta model. It also has a number of immediate benefits, like the ability to subclass most built-in types, or the introduction of descriptors, which enable computed properties. For compatibility reasons, classes are still old style by default. New style classes are created by specifying another new style class, i.e. a type, as a parent class, or the top-level type object if no other parent is needed. The behavior of new style classes differs from that of old style classes in a number of important details in addition to what type returns. Some of these changes are fundamental to the new object model, like the way special methods are invoked. Others are fixes that could not be implemented before for compatibility concerns, like the method resolution order in case of multiple inheritance. Python 3 only has new style classes. No matter if you subclass from object or not, classes are new style in Python 3.
Declaration-wise. New style classes inherit from object, or from another new style class. Old style classes don't. Python 3 note. Python 3 doesn't support old style classes, so either form noted above results in a new style class.
Important behavior changes between old and new style classes. Super added, row changed, explained below, descriptors added. New style class objects cannot be raised unless derived from exception. Example below, _slots _added. Row, method resolution order, changed. It was mentioned in other answers, but here goes a concrete example of the difference between classic row and C3 row, used in new style classes. The question is the order in which attributes, which include methods and member variables, are searched for in multiple inheritance. Classic classes do a depth-first search from left to right. Stop on the first match. They do not have the _row_ attribute. New style classes row is more complicated to synthesize in a single English sentence. It is explained in detail here. One of its properties is that a base class is only searched for once all its derived classes have been. They have the _row_ attribute which shows the search order. New style class objects cannot be raised unless derived from exception. Around Python 2.5 many classes could be raised, and around Python 2.6 this was removed. On Python 2.7.3,
Old-style classes are still marginally faster for attribute lookup. This is not usually important, but it may be useful in performance-sensitive Python 2.x code.